Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been exploring Figma and wondering how to remove a component, maybe because you're cleaning up your design file or making room for something new, you're in exactly the right place. Today I'll show you step by step how to delete a component in Figma, and by the end, you'll feel totally confident editing your workspace and managing your design assets like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, head over to Figma and open up the file you're working on. If you're following along with me, you might already have a design loaded up. For this example, imagine we've got a simple rectangle component on our canvas. It could be anything really, a button, a card, or maybe a sample shape like a rectangle. The key thing is, it's a component, not just a regular layer. Components can be reused throughout your project, kind of like a stencil you can copy and paste over and over. So if you want to remove one, it helps to make sure you're deleting the actual source component, not just an instance or a copy of it. Now here comes the important part. In Figma, your layers and components are all neatly organized in the Layers panel, usually found on the left side of your workspace. Take a look there, and you'll see a list of everything in your project, including your rectangle component. Each item in that list represents an object or a group on your canvas. Components typically have a special icon, which makes them easy to spot. So take a moment and find the component you want to delete, either by clicking on it in the Layers panel or by selecting it directly on the canvas if that's easier for you. Once you've selected it, you'll see the name highlight in the Layers panel. At this point, Figma's selection system works a lot like other design tools. A single click selects the item, and you can be sure you've got the right one when it's outlined on your canvas and bolded in the panel. Double check if you're ever unsure. Mistakenly deleting the wrong element happens to everyone, but a quick double check can save a lot of hassle. Alright, with your component selected, deleting it is super straightforward. All you have to do is press the delete key on your keyboard. That's it, the component will disappear from your canvas and your Layers panel instantly. Figma's deletion mechanism is fast and simple, but remember, deleting a component removes the master source, so any instances of it within your file will become regular groups. They'll keep their appearance, but they won't be linked to the original anymore. This is really powerful if you want to break the connection and turn instances into standalone objects, but just be sure this is what you want before you hit that delete button. And really, that's all there is to it. Removing a component in Figma is a one-step task, but taking a few moments to confirm you've selected the right one and understanding what deleting the master component does, that's what separates beginners from pros. Don't worry if it feels a bit nerve-wracking the first time. Figma also has an undo button, so you can always press Ctrl+Z or CMD+Z if you change your mind. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped clear things up, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want to see more Figma tips, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more design tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next video.